In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and pay on the Nike app, guiding you step by step to ensure a smooth and effortless experience. Let's embark on this digital shopping journey together. First things first, let's start by opening the official Nike website. You can easily do this by typing nike.ae into your web browser. Once the homepage is loaded, you'll notice several categories at the top of the page. As our focus today is on women's footwear, you'll want to click on the women's section. This click will lead you to a wide range of products designed for women. Upon landing on the women's section, navigate to the shoes category. This is where the magic happens, as it is stocked with various segments of footwear that cater to different tastes and preferences. Up next, select the lifestyle subcategory. This option filters the array of shoes to those designed for day-to-day fashion and comfort. Now comes the exciting part: choosing your item. You can scroll through the exquisite designs on display, ensuring you find something that catches your eye. Once you've made your selection, click on your desired item to inspect it further. Take a moment to review the product details, ensuring it meets your expectations. After confirming your choice, and if the shoe size fits, make sure to select size 37.5 or your preferred size from the list provided. With that selected, it's time to add this stylish pair to your shopping bag by clicking on the Add to Bag button. Your item has now been safely placed in your virtual cart, and you can proceed to the next step. Excited to finalize your purchase? Click on the checkout button to move towards finalizing your order. The website will guide you to the checkout page where you'll initially deal with the shipping details here. It's important to select your default address. If you haven't set one yet, this is a great moment to do so by clicking Set as Default Address. Don't forget to fill in any necessary details like your name, email, and complete address. Once your shipping information is correctly entered, proceed to the next page to finalize your payment details. Choose the option for credit or debit card, then carefully input your card information. Double checking these details helps prevent any payment errors down the line. Lastly, hit the Continue to Order Review button. This step allows you to recheck your entire order summary, ensuring all the details like your chosen items, address, and payment method are accurate. Once satisfied, you'll be ready to complete the transaction. And there you have it. With these steps, ordering and paying on the Nike app is a breeze. Enjoy your new pair of Nikes and happy shopping!